Good evening, guys. We are in North Hills. As you can see, my crime partner Deepak Rathod, and you can see lots of. Hey, where this went, man? Lots of monkeys over there. Hi. Yeah, go back, go back. Wait. Oh, yeah, go back this. Yeah, say hi. Okay, he's the one. My farmer there. So this is the amazing and beautiful view from the rock point. This is the coffee shop. So this is the boat which we came through, and very decent and clear view from here. Yeah, as of now, just now completed morning jogging. Just now completed exams. So yeah, they are my friends. Yeah. So I think this has been proper 14th day since I have uploaded a video. So let us do one thing. There are no one actually. Let me try to climb that. So this seat feels a bit recliner bhi here. This seat feels a bit dysfunctional, but please bear with this. Finally, there is a small bit of running, so let me complete it. मैंने रात 1:30 करीब 1:30 को उठ गया और जाग के ना मैंने WhatsApp चेक किया, and I got a message from my cousin saying that congratulations, you have reached 70 subscribers. I have checked the day before. It was saying around 50, 55 something, but the graph was going like this. And achanak se boom, it was crazy, man. Seriously, it was crazy. It reached 20 subscribers more. I don't know who helped with this, so I should thank each and everyone personally that we reached 70. I know it might not sound great, but for me personally it's a great thing, and I am thanking each and everyone personally from bottom of my heart. And one more thing, I got a few messages, only few, like you can count on fingers, so I'm not exaggerating, but I'm trying to explain this. I got few messages about skipping the week, so I haven't posted last week. In the morning also one guy met, and he asked about the last week's video. The answer is simple: I got some exam, so I could not upload for it. So sorry, and thank you for considering me in your time. If I come to passion, to be honest, मेरे पेरेंट्स तो भड़क रहे हैं, ये बंदा क्या हो जाएगा पता नहीं. So they have that scariness in them. We should accept it, but I have some other plans also. If that comes on a track, I will let you know. But this platform will be constant, like, you know, making videos will be constant, because I love this job, man. I love this shooting. I love gathering videos at a place. I love making them in a beautiful way that people can see it, people can watch that. So I need this engagement with audience, which I have with a lot of people. Speaking about passion, I should not just say like this that I love making videos, because whatever the output you give, there will be always a person who makes a different and very great video than you. So I should be keep on updating myself. Let us keep all this YouTube वगैरह aside. If we check the clips which I have kept, one can clearly says that I'm loving that. I love capturing things. I love making simple, beautiful videos, and as well as I love traveling. So by combining the traveling and videos, it gives a great output. I know Deepak, you will be giving a sweet tinge of smile when I mentioned you somehow. Speaking about parents bothering that ఏ బందా क्या हो जाएगा, ఏం చిట్టి కాక ఫోన్ చేసిన తెల్లారితో వేసుకున్నారు ఉద్యోగం చేయమని. చేస్తా, ఉద్యోగం చేస్తా, కాకపోతే ఇది కూడా ఓ ట్రాక్. అండ్ a person gave this beautiful keychain. It actually looks so dope, man. Seriously. Yeah, it is beautiful. So thank you. Finally, let me conclude this video over here, and let me thank to all my 70 people, and let us keep this much for this week. I hope you like all the small clips which I have kept. So thanking everyone once again. Let me keep this much. Shubha Khair. Bye.